just turn it until, you gotta be careful here though, because you can burn yourself. Turn it until the green stuff comes out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and load the program. And it's heating up the bed and the extruder.
Sugar skulls can be used for keychains, and they can also be used just to hang around the house. They have a little loop up top. I really like how these turned out. It just took a while for them to dry, so I let them dry overnight. I like the way they are shiny and so colorful. Thank you, Sean, for making all the sugar skulls. I'm sure I'm going to need many more in the future. Thanks so much.